I have 200 grams of dark chocolate, 1 teaspoon of instant dried coffee, and our last ingredient, 1 cup of heavy cream. This is whipping cream, 35%. And a recipe note, if you want your chocolate ganache to have a very, very strong coffee flavor, you can double the instant coffee from 1 teaspoon up to 2 teaspoons, which would be about 4 grams. I heated my cream up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and we're ready to go. I'm going to grab my instant coffee, just get that right into the cream. Just going to stir that in. And then I'm simply going to pour that right on top of our dark chocolate. And I want to let that sit for about 2 minutes. I want the chocolate and that whipping cream to slowly start incorporating. So this is about 2 to 3 minutes later, no more than that. I'm going to grab my little whisk and I'm just going to start slowly incorporating this. You can see the magic happening. So I'm just slowly stirring this from the middle. And if you find your mixture is a little bit on the cool side, you can put this over a pot of water, a bain-marie, and just incorporate a little bit more heat into the bottom of your mixing bowl here. Get it all in here. And about another 30 seconds of stirring here, and here we have our really nice chocolate coffee ganache. And hopefully the camera is picking up how nice and smooth this is. Really simple, really amazing. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.